A categorical variable is a type of variable that represents data classified into distinct groups or categories rather than numerical values. These categories have no inherent numerical meaning and are often used to describe characteristics such as gender, colours, or types of transportation. Categorical variables can be divided into two types: nominal variables, which have no specific order, and ordinal variables, which follow a meaningful ranking. Unlike continuous variables, categorical variables do not allow for mathematical calculations like addition or averaging. Now let's explore some key characteristics of categorical variables. One characteristic of categorical variables is that they represent qualitative data, meaning they describe qualities rather than measurable quantities. Another characteristic is that they can take on a limited number of possible values, such as red, blue, and green for colours. Some categorical variables like eye colour or types of fruit have no inherent order, while others like education level or survey ratings follow a ranked sequence. Additionally, categorical data is often analysed using frequency counts, percentages, or bar charts rather than mathematical operations. Now let's look at an example of a categorical variable in practice. An example of a categorical variable is type of pet, where categories might include dog, cat, bird, and fish. Since these categories represent different groups without numerical meaning, they cannot be averaged or used in mathematical equations. Another example is marital status, which includes categories such as single, married, and divorced. In surveys, categorical variables are often used to classify responses, such as selecting a favourite genre of music from a list of options. These examples illustrate how categorical variables are used to organise and analyse non-numerical data. Now let's explore other types of variables. In addition to categorical variables, there are numerical variables, which represent data in numerical form and allow for mathematical operations. These can be divided into discrete variables, which take specific whole number values, and continuous variables, which can take any value within a range. Another type is binary variables, which have only two possible values, such as yes or no. While categorical variables classify data into groups, numerical variables measure quantities, and both types are essential for different types of data analysis. Understanding the differences between these variables helps researchers and analysts choose the right methods for organising and interpreting data.